Hello and welcome to Bikini Design Club. Today it's time for me to present you our updated pattern Bikini Bottom Alice 2.0, and this is Alice 2.0. I'm showing you one of the versions, but I actually made a tutorial with 3 different ways you can sew the Alice pattern, and it's already available on our YouTube channel if you want to check it out. I'm gonna pop up a card so you can go there, but I hope you see this video till the end so you know the differences between the old pattern and the new. The differences are: the V shape is more accentuated on the front and also on the back. I have actually lowered the V on the back, so it's a little bit lower than before on the back, and I added a center back seam because this makes the bikini bottom fit much better. You have no excess fabric whatsoever, so the fit is perfect. I also improved the connection between the back piece and the front piece, so here on the side you have a very smooth transition between the two parts of the pattern. And I also lowered a little bit, so it's a little bit less high on the side here, but it's not a lot, it's just a little bit, and as you can see the curve, it's now perfect. The other thing I want to share is that you now have this pattern available from sizes 2 to 24 instead of XL to XS to XL, so you now have a wide range, bigger, more sizes available. And I want also to share with you that I made a tutorial with 3 different ways of sewing it, so you can check different options. Another thing is that I have here a center front seam, and I know some of you may want to remove it, so I also show you how to do it, and it's very easy on our tutorial, and use that line as a fold instead of a seam. So that's also an easy thing for you to do as an option. And the other thing I show you on the tutorial is how to sew them as a non-reversible, because this is a reversible pattern. But despite that, I wanted to show you another option, so I sewed this in 3 different ways, and one of the ways was as a non-reversible. It is this one I have here, but I have no seam visible on the waistline, and I have a top stitch only on the legs. So this is my favorite new way of doing the bikini bottoms. You have no excess fabric whatsoever, and you see why on the tutorial. The pattern, of course, is sent for free for all the customers who already bought it on our store, so you will receive it automatically from the store. It's an automatic process. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoy this new pattern, this new update, and that's it. Bye!